It's first August, and we have started getting new AI surprises and obviously new models too. The biggest surprise is from OpenAI because they are now launching and currently testing the new class of their model family. And they have named it GPT Astra. It's going to be GPT 6. Or maybe GPT 5.7. And the most surprising part is the capabilities. It has solved 10 unsolved math problems. Apart from this, there are some updates regarding Gemini 3.5 Pro, which people spotted in LM Arena. Apart from this, the best video generator, Seedance 2.5, has also been launched publicly. And how did I forget DeepSeek V4 Flash? Just a new update to their previous model increased its efficiency by reducing its input and output price by almost 90 to 95%, which is a huge advancement, at least for us. Okay, so we'll talk about all these in detail. Let's start with OpenAI's new model class. OpenAI is preparing to release a new model family, which is said to be named Astra. OpenAI hasn't confirmed yet whether it will be GPT-6 or whether there will be additional models in the GPT-5 series, like GPT 5.6 Sol, Luna, and Terra. So maybe the different variants of GPT 5.7 Astra will be named that way. Apart from this, the core features that have been enhanced are focused on multi-agent working. The main purpose of this new model family, or the main focus area, is long horizon tasks and multi-agent capability. It's even shown its capability by solving 10 math problems that were previously unsolved. And the most amazing thing, it's been done for just around $2,000 in API cost. It clearly shows how efficient GPT Astra is and how it actually solves real-world problems. Apart from this, its release date hasn't been confirmed yet. But as expected, it's going to launch in August. But still, apart from this, there's an update that just launched yesterday, and it has shocked many big tech companies, and that's DeepSeek V4 Flash. So let's talk about it. This isn't a new model from DeepSeek. It's just an upgraded version of DeepSeek V4 Pro, and its name is DeepSeek V4 Flash. And the amazing thing is how much it's been upgraded. First of all, if you look at its benchmark scores, it was performing very well. In fact, just a little behind GLM 5.2 and Claude Opus 4.8. But the most important and worth mentioning thing here is its efficiency, because its pricing has been reduced by 80 to 90% from the previous model in this new version. And it's not just about pricing. This new version, V4 Flash, has been upgraded a lot. For example, its context window has been increased from 128 to 1 million tokens, which is definitely much better for long tasks. Apart from this, the agent workflow has also been enhanced, and the API migration is much better. Because earlier, there were two variants of DeepSeek V4, thinking and non-thinking, and you had to choose which one to use. But now, both modes are unified inside DeepSeek V4 Flash. You just switch between thinking and non-thinking mode within the same model. And at last, the most prominent thing about this new version is the pricing. The cost was reduced by 80 to 90% from the previous model. And if we compare it with other top AI competitors like GPT and Claude, it's definitely very cheap and very good at producing results. The benchmark scores are very impressive. But this is all just about the confirmed updates to V4. Now, if we talk about an unconfirmed model that may come in just a few days, this week it's all about Gemini 3.5 Pro. After several months of waiting, I think Google is coming back with their new model, Gemini 3.5 Pro, because recently in LM Arena, Gemini 3.5 Pro was spotted. It was just there for some time, around 44 minutes, and then it was removed. And all the people who used it reported major upgrades in coding, multimodality, and improved reasoning, which has been confirmed according to this leak. Multiple users had just seen A/B testing in LM Arena, and you can see some of its outputs on the screen. Yeah, this is a much better model. In fact, it's very close to GPT 5.6 Sol and even Fable 5 and Claude Opus 5. But I don't think it'll be able to beat them, and it's expected that it will launch this month or maybe even this week. And if I'm making a video and I don't talk about Anthropic, I think this will go wrong. So let's talk about the Anthropic hijack. After getting our rogue AI from OpenAI, Anthropic released a post on their Twitter handle. And I think that's so weird because they're saying that their model, it specifically Claude Opus 4.7 and maybe some other model too, tried to do the same things, getting out of the sandbox and trying to hack some of the companies. And I keep thinking, why are they saying stuff like that? Why are OpenAI and Anthropic doing this shit? Why are they putting this stuff on their official Twitter handle to show off their model's capability of hacking other companies? I'm just confused about this. I think they need to stop this behavior instead of becoming proud of it. Seedance 2.5, ByteDance just launched it. Their goal is simple: longer videos, more control, and less of that fake plastic AI look we've all gotten used to. First up, the length. It used to cap at 15 seconds per generation. Now it's doubled to 30 seconds, which means you don't have to stitch multiple clips together just to get one proper shot anymore. Next, references. Earlier, you could only give it around 9 images and 3 video clips to work with. Now it takes up to 50 references total. Images, videos, and audio combined. That's a huge jump. And it means the model actually understands your creative direction a lot better. Then there's editing, which I think is the real upgrade here. You can now go into a specific timestamp in the clip and fix just one thing: an action, a camera angle, without re-rendering the whole video. It's also got proper green screen editing now, where it adjusts the lighting and movement on the subject to match the new background, instead of just slapping a new scene behind it. Output quality's improved too. Noticeably less of that plastic fake AI texture in the visuals. It's already live on Gemini AI and Dubao Pro, and an API is coming soon through Volcano Engine's Arc platform. Bottom line, this isn't some small patch. ByteDance is clearly not slowing down. We've talked a lot about web-based AI, but it's time for something real, because Google DeepMind has dropped Gemini Robotics 2, a new frontier, or you could say a more advanced humanoid robot. 3 major enhancements have been done here. First of all, its whole body movement, because maybe for us humans, it doesn't matter that much how we move our body because it's natural. But for robots, it takes so many decisions to do that, and it's been enhanced in this. Apart from this, advanced dexterity has also been done in this. Even when we do some work, I think we don't have much problem coordinating our hands. But with AI robots, it's very hard to figure out in real time how to move your hands and do stuff. But this has been enhanced and improved a lot. And the third thing, which is next level, is multi-robot teamwork and more. And what's novel about this, one robot can talk to another, can understand it, can even guide it to do some work. And this is just a fascinating concept in itself. And that's all. I'm very curious about the future of AI. And if you are too, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more things are coming in this AI realm. And I'll keep you updated forever.